Hello friends, my name is Professor Nilesh Anandwani. I welcome you from my YouTube channel Biology Exam Preparation with Nilesh Anandwani. My YouTube channel is for all the students those who are preparing for NEET examination, CET examination, UGC CSR NET, SET, GATE examination, PET examination and IIT JAM examination. So today we are going to discuss about jumping genes. I don't know you have heard this word about jumping genes or no in your life. But today after learning jumping genes, you will be too much interested to know what is jumping genes in detail. After learning this small video, you will also search in Google in detail about jumping genes. So let's discuss about the jumping genes. So before explaining the jumping genes, I would like to show you the structure of DNA. Like okay, now this is the structure of a DNA, and what is actually jumping genes? I'll tell you. Jumping genes, as a name itself indicate, jumping genes means a gene which have a capacity or a gene which have a unique property to jump from one portion of DNA into another portion of DNA. This is called jumping gene. Now just imagine that this is the sequence of DNA. And this sequence have a capacity to jump from this position to this position, this position to this position, this position to this position. Jumping genes are the sequence present in the DNA which have a capacity or which have a property to jump from one position of DNA to another position of DNA. Doesn't matter either from top to bottom, either from bottom to top, it doesn't matter, or even though it doesn't make any difference. So jumping genes is a sequence present in the DNA which have ability to jump from one position to another position, either on the same DNA, either one strand of DNA to another strand of DNA, either from DNA to transcribing mRNA, either from DNA to plasmid, plasmid to DNA, or within any position of chromosome or within any position of genome. But it's simply the sequence of a DNA which have capacity to jump from one position to another position, it is called as a jumping genes. मतलब DNA की वो सीक्वेंस जो DNA में एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पे जंप कर सके, यहाँ से वहाँ छलांग मार सके, जंप कर सके, इसे हम कहेंगे जंपिंग जीन्स. जंपिंग जीन्स को हम ट्रांसपोसोन्स भी कहते हैं. We are also calling jumping genes as a transposons. If you break the word transposon, then you will understand very easy. Trans means transfer and posons means position. So simply transfer of position. If you see, trans means transfer, posons means position. So simply transfer of position. So jumping genes are also called transposons. If they have ability to jump, it means they have ability to transfer the position. They are also known as a transposable element. In shortly, it is called TE(s). Who discovered transposons? So it was discovered by the Barbara McClintock, a lady scientist, in the year 1948, and she was awarded by the Nobel Prize. She was awarded by the Nobel Prize in the year 1983. So she discovered this in the 1948 and she was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1983. If someone asks you, Barbara McClintock was awarded by Nobel Prize for discovering transposons, and it was placed under which category? So it was placed under category called physiology of medicine. Okay, physiology and medicine. In this category, she was awarded by Nobel Prize for discovering jumping genes. Now I would like to tell you from which sample she discovered the jumping genes. So she discovered jumping genes from maize. Yes, she discovered the jumping genes from maize, which was one type of a ray maize. Ray maize was a one variety of a maize from which she discovered the type of these jumping genes. Now, how many basically type of jumping genes are there? And we are here to basically discuss how many types of jumping genes are available. So basically, jumping genes, or you can say transposons, are of two categories. These are DNA transposons first one is DNA transposons and second one is retro transposons. You can easily guess retro. When the word retro comes, it basically click in our mind. Retro means HIV virus. Okay, retro means HIV virus. So simply, retrotransposons is a jumping genes found in HIV virus, and DNA transposons is a jumping genes found in all living organism, those who possess jumping genes. Means जिसके अंदर भी jumping genes पाया जाता है उसमें ऑलमोस्ट जंपिंग जीन्स कौन सी कैटेगरी का होता है? वो होता है डीएनए ट्रांसपोजन्स. लेकिन एड्स वायरस में, एचआईवी वायरस में रेट्रो ट्रांसपोजन्स होते हैं, और ये रेट्रो ट्रांसपोजन्स क्या कर सकते हैं? आरएनए को डीएनए में कन्वर्ट करने में मदद कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये ट्रांसपोजन्स का हम यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं? तो ट्रांसपोजन्स को जनरली बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में स्टडी इसलिए किया जाता है क्योंकि ये भी एक प्रकार का वेक्टर ही है. ठीक है, जैसे हम प्लाज्मिड को यूज करते हैं जीन ट्रांसफर करने के लिए, सेम वे ट्रांसपोजोन्स भी जीन ट्रांसफर करने के लिए एक वेक्टर है. लेकिन इसकी सबसे एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये है कि हमें पता नहीं होता ट्रांसपोजोन्स कब जंप करेंगे. हमें ये तक नहीं पता है आज तक रिसर्च में कि ट्रांसपोजोन्स जंप क्यों करते हैं. सिर्फ इतना पता चला है कि मान लो कंसिडर कर लो कि ये वाले डीएनए में, कंसिडर कर लो इतनी पोजीशन में ये वाली जंपिंग जीन्स है. तो ये जंपिंग जीन्स जंप क्यों करती है उसका अभी तक पता नहीं चला है. लेकिन कुछ लोग, मतलब जो सीनियर ऑलमोस्ट है, तो वो लोग जनरल ये बोलते हैं कि जंपिंग जीन्स के ऊपर और नीचे, जंपिंग जीन्स के ऊपर और नीचे जो जीन्स होती है ना, उसे हम कहते हैं फ्लैंकिंग सीक्वेंस. अभी फ्लैंक करना मतलब उड़ना. तो हम ऐसे गेस कर सकते हैं कि ऊपर और नीचे दोनों की तरफ फ्लैंकिंग सीक्वेंस है और इसके बीच में जो जीन्स है वो है जंपिंग जीन्स. तो अगर फ्लैंकिंग सीक्वेंस फ्लैंक करते हैं, उड़ते हैं, जंप मारते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली बीच का सेगमेंट जो है वो भी शायद जंप करेगा. तो ये कुछ लोगों का बेसिकली गेसिंग है. अभी ये कहाँ तक हाइपोथेटिकली प्रूव्ड है, ये कहाँ तक इस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है, ये हम नहीं कह सकते. Why jumping genes are basically jumping? There is exactly answer is no one knows. But few people, basically those who have passed several years in the studying, or you can say in the giving, you can say contribution in the field of genetics or biotechnology, they says that jumping genes is located between the two genes from above and bottom, from top and bottom. Both these genes are called as a flanking genes, means those who float in the air. So those who fly in the air, so they are flanking sequence. If these sequences are present surrounding to the central jumping gene, so we can guess that when flanking sequences are jumping genes is also along with that jumping. But true reason, how much authentication and genuine answer it is, we don't know. Yes. So this is what about the jumping gene. I would like to tell you, jumping genes also present in the human being. Jumping genes are also present in human being, and the name of this jumping gene in human being is, human being also contain jumping genes, and this jumping gene is ALU sequence. Now what does it mean by ALU sequence? A stand for Arthrobacter, and LU stand for luteus and then sequence. Few people used to say that jumping genes is also present in human being, but actually it is a wrong. Jumping genes present in this organism, Arthrobacter luteus bacteria, but this bacteria is a normal flora of a human intestine. Means this bacteria is generally found in the human intestine, and so few people are saying that ALU sequence is a jumping genes present in the human being, but actually ALU stand for Arthrobacter, LU stand for luteus, and this bacteria have a DNA. In the DNA of this bacteria there is a jumping gene is available, but this bacteria is found or reside inside the human intestine, and therefore in a gossiping it is says that ALU sequence is a jumping genes present in the human being. So this is the jumping genes, also called transposons, also called as a transposable element. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी जंपिंग जीन्स के बारे में और जानकारी चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो। अगर आपको ये टॉपिक प्रॉपरली अच्छा लगा हो, समझ में आ गया हो, मैंने जो पढ़ा है इतनी चीज़ें आपको समझ में आ गई, तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए ताकि मेरी हर नई वीडियो आप तक आते रहे। ठीक है, इस वीडियो के एंड में आपको 3 वीडियो और दिखाई देंगे। ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों को जानना हो तो वो भी आप वीडियो देख सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस लेक्चर। हैव अ गुड डे।